Hey guys, welcome to Gear Oil Cafe. Today we have a cool episode for you called Fast Mod Friday. Today we're going to install the oil separator kit from Stita. Let's take a look what's in the box. Nice. In addition to your kit, you're going to need a little bit more hose because honestly, this just won't do. For tools, you're going to need a 8mm socket, or if you'd like, you can use a flathead screwdriver to tighten these puppies up, and some snips. That's it. Now before anything gets done here at Gear Oil Cafe, we do one thing. Not again. Shit. When am I going to find another cup of coffee? Thanks, Fairy Coffee Mother. Here's what you need to do to get started. Now this is super simple, guys. All you need to do is remove the hose off the back of the intake so we can install the unit off the left-hand side of the engine. Like so. Let's just shorten this up a bit. Now make sure when you're installing the kit that you follow the direction of the arrow. So this is the way the air is going to go through the system, catch the oils and contaminants that are going into the engine, and then save them there so that you can drain them later. Be careful when you're installing this because these are plastic threads on an aluminum body. This aftermarket half-inch tube that I picked up, in addition to the kit, it fits pretty tight, but just because it doesn't fit on exactly perfect, I'm going to add a hose clamp just to make sure it's secure. Now I bought a lot of tubing, so we're going to measure this out so we can actually have it go to the left-hand side of the engine in order to fit this exactly right, so we'll have no problem draining it. And that's it for the install, guys. Super simple. Next we have to make a bracket for this and prop it up so we're able to drain it when it's done. Make sure to check your work after you're done. Accelerate a bit, get some air moving through this, and see if it does anything. If you're having any problems, undo everything we just did. You're also wanting to check for leaks. If it's leaking air, you don't want that. So the car sounds great. And I'm not seeing any oil come through yet. That doesn't mean it's not coming. Over the next little while, just keep an eye on the channel and we'll show you the progress if she's making a difference. Take care, guys.